Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to do this nail set right here. It's nice and festive and Christmas inspired. And I'm going to start off by pulling out my BT Art Box X-Coat tips. These are gorgeous tips and I don't use them nearly enough. They are so strong and they're nice and thin near the cuticle. That's why I like them. So I'm just going to start off with the ring finger, and I'm going to start off with using #bling from the GelBot link. This is a gorgeous full coverage metallic glitter, silver glitter, kind of foily look. So I am going to use this, and there's a method to my madness because I am going to do transfer foil on this nail, and I never ever use transfer foil, like ever. So I just really wanted to try this transfer foil because I saw it in my album the last day and I really wanted to try it. So in order to hide any blemishes or any missed pieces, I went in with that silver glitter foil underneath. So this is the foil right here I'm going to use, and I'm pulling out my Meet Across transfer foil gel. I don't have any other one. This is the only one I have, and it could possibly be gone off by this point, but because I never use foil gel and it's only on press-ons, it's okay. So what I did was I cured it for about 60 seconds and then I went on and rubbed in the transfer foil. I did end up missing pieces of it, but it's okay because of the look that I'm going for is kind of a little bit dimensional. So what I did was I went back in and tried to just stick the foil onto the pieces that I had missed. So that is what you're seeing me do right here. I'm just rubbing in the transfer foil, trying to get it to stick. My goal is just to get at least 4 or 5 stars, and when I saw that I did have 4 or 5 stars, I left it and said that is perfect. If anyone has any tips or tricks about transfer foil, please comment them down below, and also if you have a good foil gel, because I possibly would like to get into it. I just never really got into it. It's not my thing, but like I said, I really wanted to try this one. So next up, I'm going to go in with Madame Glam's Enchanted Blue, and this is a gorgeous holographic blue glitter. Okay, now you're going to see me go in with my second coat, and this second coat is going to give you a perfect full coverage look. I have a discount code for Madame Glam for 35% off, and I'm going to leave that in the description, and I'll also leave a link to this shade. Next, I'm going to pull out the white gel paint from Glitterbells. This is my absolute favourite, and I'm going to pull out a little dotting tool. So this is what I meant about not really needing that foil to be full coverage, because I was planning on going in with these little white starbursts. So I'm just using my dotting tool to create a little dot in the centre, and then get a nice thin liner brush and pull out 4 bigger lines from the centre and then 4 smaller lines just at the edges, and you get yourself a nice little 8-pointed star. So I wasn't too worried about that foil coverage, and this is the reason why, because I am filling it in nicely with these little starbursts. I always find too with nail art, if you don't worry too much about it, you usually can cover up your mistakes a little bit. Yeah, I know you can't with stuff like a French tip. A French tip needs to be nice and neat, but with things like this, you can always work around your nail art. So where I'm putting these little stars here is exactly where I missed that transfer foil coverage. Okay, so next I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint a French tip using that blue glitter, and I am going to go in and do 2 coats of it, simply because I just wanted it to be the exact same shading as the 2 block colours. So I did go in and do a second coat of this French, but I do it off camera, and I am using my liner brush. So the same liner brush that I've been using all along, I'm using it for my French tip here. And yeah, I'm just kind of eyeballing it and it works out pretty good, I think. But I'll be back in a couple of seconds with the next part of the design and I'll let you watch this French. This is Born Pretty's Super Laser holographic painting gel and I love this stuff. So I'm going to use this to paint on my bow. So I just gave it a little mix up there. You could see I was just mixing it with the tip of my brush and I'm just going to go in and draw the bow. So pretty simple. I'm just going to let you watch me draw this and I use just what's left on my brush to flick down here for the little ribbons that float out at the very end. Just not too much product. If you put too much product, it will ruin the design. And yeah, so I'm just kind of flicking down here to make the ribbons. And once I have that done, then I'm going to go in with some hashtag bling and I'm going to place that in the center of the ribbon just to create the effect of a little diamond. So instead of having to put on a stone, I'm just going to go in and dot some of the glitter and it looks exactly like a little diamond in the center of the bow and it's super cute. So while I was looking at the nail set, I decided that these two nails look just a little bit plain, just block color blue glitter. So I decided to go in with the smallest part of my dotting tool and do some polka dots. So they just have the effect of little snowflakes falling. And I thought they were so cute. I used the tiniest dotting tool that I have and I just really sparingly had some gel on the brush or on the dotting tool, sorry, and I just dotted them everywhere like you can see here. But I do think it did add to the nail set because the white starbursts on the holographic nail, I just thought it tied it a little bit together. And then I'm going to go in with a nice generous layer of top coat once that's all done. And that is this nail set complete. Let me know what you think of these down below and if you would wear these on your nails. So this is a last little video of them here and I think they're super cute. So thank you so much if you made it this far and I will see you in the next one.